Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your devices are paired and location services are enabled. This lets the watch pull updated forecasts. Tap the weather app on your Apple Watch to view current location. If it shows a different city, press firmly or scroll to the top for options. Once done, decide whether to edit locations on the iPhone weather app for easier management. Changes their sync to your watch when both devices are connected. Now use the iPhone for the heavy lifting because it offers full location management. Open weather, tap the list icon, then add or remove cities. Drag to reorder locations so your preferred city is first. Make sure that city becomes your default by placing it at the top. After reordering, wait a few seconds and ensure the iPhone and watch are connected. The Apple Watch will sync the new list automatically when the connection is active. Finally, confirm on the Apple Watch. Open weather, press firmly or scroll to the top and select your preferred location from the sync list. Choosing the top item makes it primary. If the new city doesn't appear, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on both devices and restart each one to force a sync. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch as a last resort. This rebuilds settings from your iPhone backup and usually resolves stubborn sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.